Software Spring. Presents. What is power of compounding? How to calculate compounded returns using the FV function in Google Sheets. Hello folks, greetings. Welcome to this tutorial, which gives an overview of the power of compounding. The tutorial also gives the steps to calculate compounded returns from an investment using the FV function. Please subscribe to this channel if you've not already done so. Thank you for your support. Alright, let me illustrate the power of compounding with an example. Pradeep invests Rs 25,000 in a fixed deposit for 3 years with an interest rate of 6.75%, compounded quarterly. The first quarter interest is added back to the principal. The principal amount increases. For this reason, the second quarter interest will be higher. The second quarter interest is added back to the new principal. The principal amount increases even more, making the third quarter interest higher than that of second quarter. This process continues over the time frame, resulting in a final higher amount relative to a simple interest investment. Let's use the FV function to calculate the return from the fixed deposit. The syntax of the FV function formula is: rate is the interest rate, NPER is the number of payment periods, PMT is the payment, for example SIP, made in each period, PV is the present value of an investment. Type is optional and specifies if payment is made at the beginning or end of each month. Default value is 0, indicating payment is made at the beginning. The formula to calculate the future value for this investment is: note that interest rate should be divided by 4 because of quarterly compounding. The number of payment periods should be multiplied by 3, which is the tenure, again, because of quarterly compounding. Payment is 0, because of only one lump sum payment. The negative symbol, for present value, indicates cash outflow. Type is optional, and is not used in this formula. Let me type the formula. Let me remove the dollar symbol. There you go. This is the future value, with the power of compounding. Summary. A return from an investment, with the power of compounding, is higher, relative to a non-compounding return. FV function assists to calculate the compounded returns. A key argument of FV is the NPER, which is the number of compounding periods. That's it folks. Thank you for watching this video. Please subscribe to this channel.